For the 2015 SEMA show, Toyota built a life-size Tonka SUV whose name is the ultimate off-road adventure. The Tonka 4Runner is powered by the same 4.0-liter V6 as the production 4Runner, but that's about the only similarity between the two. The concept vehicle's body, elevated to new heights by a 10-inch suspension lift kit, sports bold matte black and yellow Tonka graphics. 20-inch Ultra Motorsports Type 250 Colossus wheels are wrapped by Mickey Thompson Baja MTZ 38 by 15.5 R20 LT off-road tires. Over each tire are Rigid Industries LED lights. The custom suspension includes King 8 by 2.5 inch and 10 by 2.5 inch coilovers, as well as an assortment of suspension components. It also features welded bumpers, roof rack, side steps, and ladders. The crowning touch is the pop-up tent on the Tonka 4Runner's roof, which makes the SUV the ultimate dream machine for outdoor enthusiasts.